Day 3 of converting this van into a camper van. Yesterday consisted of insulating the walls, painting over the rusted areas of the van and cutting the shape of our vinyl flooring. Today we started by using spray glue on the floor and on the bottom side of the vinyl to neatly stick it into place, and it looks awesome. We're using celotex insulation for the roof as we have large gaps to fill before we can clad over it, so we had to cut these pieces to shape. We then had to seal the edges with insulation tape to stop the moisture creeping into the insulation. Adam then put gripfill onto the celotex so that we could stick it into the roof and it fit really snug. We had the cardboard roll left over from our vinyl flooring which we used to prop it up overnight. We then moved on to cutting the bulkhead and we used the jigsaw for this. Our workbench was just 4 tins of paint in the street, but it worked out really well. We then put the bulkhead into place to make sure it fit, and it was really good. Follow for day 3 where we will be cutting a window to the cab, running our cables through the van and some painting.